YouTube, this your boy Anthony here, back with another video, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to rewrap my hood with the satin black wrap that I just bought. I bought it yesterday and this is my result so far. It looks pretty good. Like, I messed this part up, so I have another piece down here, but I'm going to just redo the whole hood again, and I did a pretty good job so far. Let me just show you guys underneath it. So it's good enough, close to professional. Cause see what I did here? It's looking pretty good so far. So that's what this channel gonna be about. That's what this episode gonna be about. So I'm going to wrap my hood all over again. So sit back, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. We about to jump into this. I just took off the wrap off the car right now, and now we about to go ahead and start this from scratch. So before I get started on how to do this by yourself, there's a few things that you need. Of course, you need the wrap, and then you need a squeegee, and you need to prep the car before you do anything like this on here. So you need to go ahead and wash the car, wipe it down, you know, with regular soap and water. That's pretty much all what you need. And then after that, clay bar it. Make sure you clay bar, because that gets the contaminants off, and that, you want the surface as smooth as possible. And I already did that, so I'm good. And then after you wash it and you get that all done, then you need to get some alcohol and some water, dilute it a little bit, so you can spray it on there and make sure it's just real smooth, because you don't want nothing on there. So that's what I'm about to do. And then after that, you guys will watch me on me wrapping my Camaro hood all by myself to save a little bit of cash. Hopefully you learn something. Okay, so now that we got the car all clean and prepped up, now we're just gonna lay it on here like this. And what I'm gonna do, how I was the best to achieve my first time wrapping it, was I was able to fold this in half. Don't worry about the creases or anything like that, because once you squeegee it, it'll start coming out after you start lifting it and pulling it, lifting it and pulling it. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'll show you. So stay tuned. Okay, now that we got that done, now we're going to get the squeegee. This is like a $5 squeegee that I bought from the place. It has a belt on top. If you have a gloss black wrap that you're trying to do, you're going to use a different squeegee. That's what they told me. They had like 4 different ones, but since I have a satin black hood, and once I start squeegeeing this out, this belt will do a great job. So now I'm about to pry this apart. After I apply this apart, I'm gonna cut this back part off, and then I'll start going ahead and laying it and applying it down. Now, one thing to keep in mind here as I'm squeegeeing it, you can see behind here the other paper I didn't cut. That's why it's looking like that. So once you know you perfected this side, you know it look good, then that other side will look even better too. So now that's me showing you guys that. So now I'm about to go ahead and continue squeegeeing. Okay guys, as you can tell, I got it tucked all the way around here. I just need to cut it. Now I wouldn't recommend what I'm doing. I just forgot to get a heat gun, but what I'm using is a lighter. And what I'm doing is I'm just tucking. I'll give you a quick while I'm with the camera. I light it real quick and I just lay it down. Don't, if you keep it on there, you're gonna melt it and that's not what you want. And I don't recommend nobody doing this. I just provide what I got. But as you could tell, with the method I got, it's laid all right there. It's laid all right there real good. So when it's time to cut, it'll be good. And this is perfect for somebody just doing it by yourself. But this time I just want to show you guys, recommend if you don't have a blow dryer or a heat gun. Don't do it on the top of here. I didn't do that at all because I did it perfectly. But under here is fine. Well, here what I got so far. Look at that cut. It's a few messed up spots, but for somebody that's doing it by themselves, it's not bad at all. Now the only thing I got left to do is this back part. And then the hood is done. There you go. So you guys can look at it. I want you guys to look at it. There's no creases or anything. All I gotta do is just heat gun it out. But as of now, it looks good. Can't complain. Fully look. A new look now. Bring that splitter out a little bit better. Car look complete. Next project is getting some black wheels, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put in a 1LE satin black hood on my Camaro SS. So if you have any questions or concerns on how I did everything, feel free to drop a comment below. Also, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe and like all my videos and content. So stay tuned for the next video.